Scribing end panels and infills requires different techniques due to the nature, size and position of the material being fitted. What we need to do here is create ourselves a little filler panel. To do that, we need to measure the distance between our wonky wall and the edge of our cabinet, and then add a few extra centimeters on there, just so we've got some material to play with. For the sake of this explanation, this piece of cardboard can represent our filler panel, which is the width of the gap plus 2 centimeters. Now what we need to do is, with the back edge of the filler panel, is bring it across to the edge of the cabinet where we want the filler to end, and this is how we create our scribe. With an offcut exactly the same width as the panel you've just cut, you can slide this over to the wall, draw a line onto our panel, and you would slide this up and down the wall. We can illustrate our cut by folding the cardboard, and if we slide this over into position, you'll see that our filler sits snug into position. Now we just need to do this to the real thing.
Take your time marking out your scribe and ensure you are at an equal distance to the wall throughout. Angle your jigsaw to undercut your scribe and it will make life much easier if you need to stand back a little.